Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Zoho CRM to HubSpot in 2024. Of course, this integration will help you synchronize data between the two platforms, enhancing your sales and marketing efforts. So today, we'll walk you through the step-by-step guide to set up this integration very seamlessly. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. Once you do so, of course, for me here I'm using Brave, for you can use whatever you want. Once you do so, go to the CRL section. Basically, just go to Zoho.com, of course, to go into Zoho CRM. As example, just go, okay, I did not type dot, so that's why it took me here. So basically, you'll be taken here to their home screen. The main screen, of course, you can just go here and click on CRM. So you can access Zoho CRM. Of course, make sure that you're logged in into your account. If you're not logged in into your account, as example, let me just go. You'll basically find yourself with the same screen and you'll find the sign in option here and you can sign in into your account. Even if you don't have an account, of course, you can simply just click on sign up to sign up into a new account. You can use, of course, Google, LinkedIn, Microsoft, and some other options if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So basically, once you're logged in, of course, you can from here access, of course, your Zoho CRM, and you'll have to do the same with HubSpot as example. So just go and type HubSpot.com, hit the enter button on a new tab, and make sure to log in into your account if you have one. Of course, if you don't have an account, just go and of course create an account. As simple as that. And yeah, for me, as again, I'll sign in here with Google, sign in with my account, and enter a code email to your email, of course. So I'll just go here to my email provider, which is Gmail in my case, and they send me a code. So 602123. As simple as that. Yeah, leave. So 602123 and click on login, and I should be logged in into my account without any problems. As you can see, I have here two things I can open. So we have, like, as example, I'll just go and open this one as example. And of course, here you can do a lot of other stuff. You can access other stuff as example if you want to. It's actually totally up to you as an example. So if I want to like access this on my other account, it's totally, as we said, up to you. If you have like multiple accounts, so it depends on you. So once you have your Zoho CRM and HubSpot like already ready together, we will need, of course, to connect like Zoho CRM to HubSpot. We'll need some third-party integration tools like Zapier in this video. Of course, we can look like through direct connections if we go here to automation, and we can try example. I don't know if they have the option of integration like automatically or like directly without using a third-party tool. I'm not sure about that actually because I've never like checked about it, but it does not seems like it's as an example. So here, let's see. So yeah, you cannot, it seems from here. What about here? There's any like connections or something like that? There's just automation here. What about connections in here or something like that? So there's nothing. So of course, to like connect to another thing, we'll use a third party tool like Zapier, as we said in this video. For you, of course, you can use other tools such like Automate.io and other stuff like that. So just go and open a new tab, go to Zapier.com. First of all, of course, if it's your first time, you'll be taken to this page. You can simply sign in into or log in into your account from this option at the top. And if you don't have an account, basically you can just simply go at the top, of course, at the top right corner again, click on sign up to create a new account. Of course, you can do it with Google as well if you don't want to enter all the other informations. You will get even a 14 days free trial of premium features for free, and then you will be switched into a free plan if you want to just stay with it. Of course, you can create a limited app so you can automate a lot of stuff. So first of all, we'll need to go to this left panel, click on apps. First of all, we'll need to look for the both apps that we want to connect with each other, which is first of all HubSpot as an example. And here is it. I'll just go here and click on connect as an example. Once I click on connect, they'll take me here. Of course, I'll have to choose the account I want to connect and then click on choose account as an example, maybe this one. And here I'll basically just check this option. And as you can see, it will give access to all of the followings in here. So then you'll have to go and click on connect app. For me, as you can see, it's already connected, so I don't have to connect it. The same will be for Zoho as example. So you can just go here and type like Zoho, and you'll find like your Zoho CRM right here. So all you need to do, just go and click on connect, and again you'll have to go and connect your Zoho CRM. So of course you'll have to choose the domain. How can you know the domain? Basically, just go to your Zoho, and you would like to see, is it .com? Is it like example whatever they have here? Is it like .com.au, which is Australia as example? This is for Canada. This is I guess for China, and this is .com if you have just .com, or if you have EU, India, Japan, whatever you have. So for me, I have .com. I have nothing after it, so I'll just go here and click or choose .com, then click on yes, continue to Zoho CRM. And as you can see, after that, they'll take me here to basically just allow all the access that you're asking me here. So I'll just go and click on accept. And once I click on accept, of course, the connection will be established again. For me, it's already connected, so I'm not going to click on connect again. Now, once the both are connected with each other, I can simply just go here to Zaps and click on Create a Zap, or basically just go and click on Create at the top or left option. Then simply click on Zaps, and this will take me right away into this page. So from here, you can choose the apps that you want to connect together, but not just like connected together. You will be able also to automate stuff together using this Zapier tool. That's why it's actually very insane and good. So here's an example. You'll have to choose the trigger and the events that should trigger that app, and the same will be for action. So once is this triggered, it will do an action depending on the app that you choose. So, as example, maybe when you receive something, this will create a data or something like that. I don't know, depending on whatever you want. We can even use this Copilot as example, which will help you out creating your apps. If you don't know, as example, how to do it, you can simply just type connects maybe here. So Zoho like CRM with like HubSpot, as simple as that, and hit the enter button, and it will create the trigger, the action, the events for you. And of course, if you didn't like it, first of all, just go and click on add all the steps. And if you didn't like anything, of course, you'll be able to change it. So if you go here and click on Zoho CRM, you can click on app and events as an example for the events or the triggers that should trigger. First of all, this automation is when I receive a new lead. I can change it if when I get a new contact, a new model entry, a new or updated lead, a new user, whatever I want, I can use it. So once this new like lead exists, of course, then you'll have to connect into your account. You already done this. Then you'll have basically to test this. Just go and click on test the trigger, and if you find the check option right here, that means everything is good to go. You'll have to do the same with HubSpot's example. You'll need to go through everything. Of course, you'll need again to test the step depending on the events that you choose. So let me just finish the step and or the testing. As you can see, all good. Of course, you can change also the event. So once this triggered, the HubSpot should do something. So, as an example here, it will create a contact. You can change it into add the contact list, add contact to workflow, and a lot of other stuff. Once you test it and of course everything is good, you can still publish it. And now, once it's published, this automation in the connection is established, and you can automate the thing that you put here. You can automate a lot of other things if you want to. It's actually very insane. You have a limited zaps that you can create. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.